Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to transfer money between SoFi and another bank. There are a few simple ways to move money between your SoFi account and an external bank account. The most common methods are using an automated clearinghouse or ACH transfer or a wire transfer. Method 1. Using SoFi's online transfer feature. The simplest way is to initiate an external transfer right from your SoFi account. Link your external account. First, you need to link your external bank account to your SoFi profile. You can do this through the SoFi app or website, usually by going to the transfer section. SoFi primarily uses Plaid to instantly verify and connect accounts. If your bank isn't found, you may have the option to link it manually using the other bank's routing and account numbers. Initiate the transfer. Once linked, go back to the transfer section. Select Transfer Money. Fill out details. Choose your SoFi account as the from account and your external bank as the to account, or vice versa. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Confirm, review the details, and submit the transfer. Timing and limits for ACH transfers. Most of these standard bank-to-bank transfers use the ACH network. ACH transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete. SoFi's daily limit for ACH transfers into or out of your account is typically $50,000, though this can vary. Method 2. Initiating the transfer from your other bank. You can also initiate the transfer from the external bank's side. Link SoFi. Log into your other bank's online platform or app. Look for an option to link an external account. Provide SoFi's details. You will need to provide your SoFi account number and SoFi's routing number. You can find these details within your SoFi account. Start transfer. Once linked, you can initiate a transfer from your external bank to your SoFi account. Method 3. Wire transfers. For faster, same-day transfers, especially for large amounts, you can use a wire transfer. Wire transfers can be initiated through the SoFi app or website. Domestic wire transfers are generally processed quickly, often within a few hours on a business day if submitted before the cutoff time, but SoFi does charge a fee for outbound wires. You will need the recipient's name, address, account number, and routing number. Choose the method that best fits your needs, considering the speed, cost, and amount you need to transfer. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.